Hey Poochie, what are you doing here? Well, I just came to congratulate you on the second year of Bearded and Goomba cartoon. Ah, thanks Poochie. And I'm glad you have a cartoon too. Hopefully you'll make it to 2 years. It's not gonna be, well, it's gonna be a while before that because my cartoon came out in like November of last year. Yep. Well, I think, Goomba, should we start celebrating? Yeah. Good idea. I'm gonna go get decorations and make decorations. Okay. I made it. I'm gonna go. Oh my gosh. What the heck is that thing? Ah! Ah! Oh no. What are you gonna do to me? Ah! Whoop! Oh no! 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 Stop it! Whoa! No! You're going with me. Gonna? Beanie! He's up in the sky! Forever! It's time! Time to power up. Yup! Power up? What do you mean? Nothing. I'll see you later, okay? I gotta go use the bathroom real quick. You know the bathroom isn't outside, right? Oh yeah, of course I knew that. It's down. Forever! Come on! Poochie, grab on. Whoa! Ooh. Thanks, Fabber. Let's go save Benny. It's Benny, Poochie. You used to be able to say that right. I just get worse and worse every day with saying things. Okay, right now that doesn't matter. Saving Benny is what matters now. Let's go do it. Forever. I still can't say forever, right? Oh my gosh, I just said it even worse. It's forever. Something tells me that fish is not going to hand over Benny that easily. Nope. I mean, think about it. All the bad guys we faced, and not one of them has been easy for us to beat. You're right, Forever. Poochie, I don't mind you calling me that, but my name's Free Bird. Now, come on. I'm sorry, Forever. I can't say it right. I'm a horrible goat. Oh, come on, Poochie. Now's not the time for all that. Come on. Okay. Where is he though? I don't know. We've been searching for hours, Feber. I know, right? I think we should head back now. But we don't give up on our battles. Oh my gosh, I feel so dumb right now. What? This entire time? Seriously? Huh? What are you guys doing here? Guys, you came to save Benny! Well, big shocker there because Benny's the best bear that was ever existing. Whoa! How you like that? Oh, you weren't gonna beat us that quickly. How did that not stop you? Me throwing your brother? How about I throw this toy bird? Ah! Poochie, guess what? This is all you have. Yourself. Not gonna stop me, fish. You might think that a goat is gonna give up that quickly, but I don't. I remember that my brother's been thrown off. Big deal, didn't stop me. Wow, I'm gonna tell your brother you said that. Or will you be able to? I don't think you'll be able to do that. Hey, by the way, I think I see somebody floating through the air. Who? Who? Hey, that was a dirty trick you just did? Well, it was a dirty trick that you threw my brother. Say bye-bye, Fish.
Bubbles! I'm coming!
This is some yummy fish you've got us, Poochie. Where did you get it from? I don't know, just laying around. Well, that looks familiar. I think it looks kind of like that fish that... Never mind. That would be a good story to tell next time. Well, I wonder where this came from. I don't know. Let's forget about where it came from and let's eat it, because I'm hungry. Yeah, okay.